Good evening and welcome to Marilyn's Kitchen. Today I am going to do steamed fish, and it's the same fish which I made curry the other day. If you follow my channel, you will understand which fish it is. Wash the fish thoroughly because the fishy smell should go. Okay? And last rinse you make with little vinegar. Okay? Then make grooves like this. On either side. Sprinkle some salt because always the fish has to be marinated with salt. And keep it aside. Keep it aside till you finish chopping the vegetables. Okay, 15 minutes the fish has to be kept aside. Okay, cut around long slices like this of carrot, spring onions. You have chopped onions. I have taken the onions from the spring onions because this is also nutritious. These are chopped cucumbers. This is a lady finger chopped. This is ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. I always keep sprouts in the fridge because it can be used for salads, for anything. So a little bit of sprout. And since today I do not have capsicum, I am putting for garnishing these 2 green chilies. Here we have the tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, and here cabbage. Let's get ready. 1, 2, 3. Medium size flame. This is my pan. Always use broad base because the fish can fit into it. If the fish is lengthier, then you have to take a bigger bottom pan. These are the onions. Here are the tomatoes. Here's the cabbage. One tablespoon of water. For 2 minutes, cover the pan. A pinch of salt. Cook it for 2 minutes with medium flame. I wash it once more to remove the excess salt. I'm washing the fish to remove the excess. I marinate it for 5 more minutes with little turmeric and ginger garlic paste. Now I put little spring onion. A few carrot slices and a pinch of salt. And steam this for another 2 minutes. This is half a teaspoon of pepper, optional. Now since I like pepper, I might as well use it today. Lady finger, just a 2, chopped lengthwise. A pinch of salt. Wow, I love this fish. Okay, you can pour the juices. I put the sprouted these are sprouts, green gram sprout. Again, some spring onions, because juices in the spring onion seep into the fish. The remaining carrots, pinch of salt. Then I put my cucumber, remaining. Just slice the green chilies, garnish it. I cover it. This is the cucumber. I garnish it with 2 green chilies. Today I don't have my capsicum. I can manage it because for the flavor I put the green chilies. You can put 1 tablespoon of water. Not necessary, but cook it on medium flame, not high. This is there are juices in this vegetable. Steam it for 15 minutes on that flame. I will just sprinkle little olive oil. Little olive oil, just half a teaspoon. That's it. Steam it for 15 minutes on medium flame. By the time I'll clean my kitchen and wash my utensils. Cooked. And leave it for 5 minutes. I'll just put it on a platter. There's one. Here's the other. The remaining vegetable on the side. Today no salad. Only the vegetables from here. Actually, you can use sauces also if you like it. Just before eating, I will sprinkle a little lime juice, 2 teaspoons of lime juice on it.